Are you looking for a card mobile holder? Do check out this video, don't miss it, you'll find useful. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling, journeying to 2024. Wish you all a happy new year. As you see in the picture, the mobile holder we have got from Park Plus. If you want to know more about Park Plus and free petrol you get, you can check out my video on I button and screen in description box. As you see in the picture, you have got this mobile holder on Amazon stores at 68% off. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can buy. As you guys are watching, we have unboxed this mobile holder. It's a good quality mobile holder and it's of a good brand. It has got suction cup. 1 year warranty is given. Good quality. It's compatible and it is easy to hold onto your windshield or a dashboard on your car. Now we'll see how to install it on your car dashboard or windshield. As you see in the picture, though we are journeying, the mobile holder is stuck onto the windshield and there's no fear that it will fall down. That's it all for today. If you enjoy this video, do comment, share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Thank you all. Have a good day. Keep smiling.